Next one is simple harmonic motion. That is, if the displacement of the follower is of simple harmonic type, what would be the velocity and acceleration pattern? For this, I am considering a mass. It is freely suspended from a fixed end with the help of spring. Initially, it is at a equilibrium position. After giving some initial displacement, it will start up and down motion to regain its equilibrium position again. So during this period, if you take any point on the mass and trace a path, then you will get wave pattern like this. Okay, this wave pattern motion is called as simple harmonic motion. Okay, it's of smooth kind. The question is, if the lift or displacement of the follower is of simple harmonic motion type, then what would be the patterns of velocity and the acceleration? Okay, so this is the displacement, this is the velocity, and this is the acceleration type. If the displacement is of simple harmonic type, then velocity is of sine wave and the acceleration is of cosine wave. To explain this, I am considering some datas in this table. Okay, that is, I am taking angle of rise, that is half of the cycle. Okay, angle of rise from 0 degree to 90 degree. Next, the stroke length from 0 to 30. Stroke length means the maximum lift of the follower. Okay, 0 to 30, and the time required to reach the peak, means maximum lift, is 14.92 seconds. Okay, so by considering these value, if I draw displacement drawing, it would be like this. I'll explain it. See, in the x-axis I am considering angular displacement. In the y-axis I am considering the lift, that is 30 mm. So after taking this lift, what I will do, by locating the center of the stroke length, that is 15 mm, I am going to draw a semicircle like this. After drawing this semicircle, I am dividing this semicircle into 6 equal parts. Okay, that is 30 degree each. Then I'll represent the points, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Later, in the horizontal axis, that is on the x-axis, I am taking angle of rise as 90 degree. Then this 90 degree is divided into 6 equal parts again, that is 15 degree each. After dividing this into 6 equal parts, I'll draw vertical lines, okay, from each point, and also from these points on the semicircle, I am drawing horizontal line. Okay, so after vertical lines and horizontal lines, I locate intersection points, that is 0 to 0, then 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6. After locating these points, I'll draw a line. This line profile represents simple harmonic motion. Okay, for this simple harmonic motion, you will get velocity as sine wave and acceleration as cosine wave. Okay, so I'll explain here. For 15 degree rotation of the cam, the lift is 2.01. The time taken is 1 seconds. Okay, next, for 30 degree rotation from the 0 degree, the lift is 7.5. The time taken is 2 seconds. For 45 degree of rotation, displacement is 15 mm and the time taken is 3 seconds. This is for first half of the cycle, right? Because 15 mm is half of the 30 mm, so the lift is 15 mm, means it is half of the cycle. In the half of the cycle, if you observe these data, see 0 to 2.01, the displacement is 2.01 from 0 for 1 second, correct? So likewise, for next 1 second, that is 2 minus 1, it is 1. So for next 1 second, the lift is 7.5 minus 2.01, that is 5.49 is the lift. Okay, so next 1 second, that is 3 minus 2, you will get 1 second. For this 1 second, the lift is 15 minus 7.5, that is 7.5. Okay, for each interval, the displacement is increasing, right? Here it is 2.01, here 5.49, here it is 7.5. okay, but the time is 1 second only. The interval of time is 1 second only, so that you will get increasing velocity, because the numerator is increasing and the denominator is constant, so that you will get increasing trend. So velocity is going to increase for the first half of the cycle from 0 to maximum value of the velocity. Okay, we'll go to the next half of the cycle. In the next half of the cycle, for 60 degree, 22.5 is the lift. Okay, for 75 degree it is 27.99, for 90 degree it is 30. Okay, we'll consider the displacement for next 1.5 second. Okay, you observe here 4.5 minus 3, that is 1.5 second. For next 1.5 seconds, the lift is 22.5 minus 7.5, sorry, minus 15, you will get 7.5. okay, for the 7.5 it is taking 1.5 seconds. Okay, we'll go to the next one. 27.99 minus 22.5, that is 5.49. for next 5.49 displacement, it is taking 7.46 minus 4.5 seconds. Okay, that means here the displacement is decreasing, but time in the denominator is increasing. It is taking more time to get this displacement as that of the first half of the cycle, correct? So displacement is decreasing, but time taken is increasing, so that you'll get decreasing trend of velocity in the next half of the cycle. Okay, so that it is decreasing time, so you will get sine wave for velocity during the angle of rise. Similarly, if you consider acceleration, see 2.01 divided by 1 second, that means a change in velocity with respect to time is acceleration, correct? 2.01 divided by 1 second, you will get 2.01. Next 3.75 divided by 2, you will get 1.875, and 5 divided by 3, you will get 1.667, correct? That means acceleration is of decreasing trend. Fine, it is of decreasing trend, means from the maximum value it is decreasing, so that you will get cos wave like this. Fine, so velocity is of sine wave type, acceleration is of cosine wave. Okay, if you want more information regarding this simple harmonic motion for the cams, please comment below. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, let me know. Thank you.